Hello and welcome to the Dixie Belle YouTube channel. My name is Melissa. I am the owner and artist at the Top Drawer RVA located in Richmond, Virginia. Today's painting journey involves a bells and whistles transfer. We're going to be using the Magnolia Garden Transfer on this beautiful French provincial dresser. Don't be afraid of the condition that this sad little dresser is in. We are going to work our magic with a little bit of paint and some Dixie Belle products. As always, to begin, I cleaned my entire piece with White Lightning, inside and out. I then removed all the drawers and added some Big Mama's butter to the drawer glides. This dresser has a laminate top and some shiny sides. I'm going to use 2 even coats of Slick Stick, waiting 2 to 4 hours between application. These 2 even coats of Slick Stick will prepare my surface for paint. I love using this gripping primer. It saves the day all the time. I don't have to sand in the house, and it prepares my surface perfectly for any paint products that I would like to use. Make sure to wait the allotted 24 hours before you apply your Dixie Belle paint on top of your dried Slick Stick. Now it's time to focus on some of those damages. I use my Dixie Belle mud in white to cover the damages on the front of the drawer. Once it's dried, I sanded it right back to flat. Today's project is based all around the Magnolia Garden Transfer. Dixie Belle carries Magnolia Garden along with many other transfers under the bells and whistles line. I covered the entire base of my project with sawmill gravy, and then I used palmetto on the top to start my ombre blend. I'm going to be blending multiple neutral colors into the beautiful palmetto green at the top of the dresser. By using my best dang brush while my paint is still damp, I'm able to ombre blend and give a really beautiful smoky finish. There was some missing trim on the base of this dresser, and once I got up close, I realized I was going to have to fix those damages as well. I used some Would You Bend trim to bend and curve around the base where the trim was missing on the piece. Let's apply this beautiful Magnolia Garden Transfer. I decided to open the transfer and lay out my plan before I cut them up and decided where they would go. This is going to allow me to get the proper placement and make sure that it's even on both sides. Transfers are super easy to apply and use on any piece of furniture or decor item. Once you've planned out your piece, all you need to do is remove the protective backing, push it down onto your furniture or your project, and then use the enclosed burnishing tool to adhere it to your piece. After you've applied all of your transfer pieces, you can seal your transfers with any of the Dixie Belle clear coats, or you could also use Best Dang wax. Since you can cut up your transfers, you can overlap them, layer them, and apply them in any design that you like. I used the complete transfer for this part minus 1 full sheet, which had that large image with the magnolia and the words. That could be used on the sides of the drawers or save it for another time. I wanted to highlight all the beautiful trim on this piece by using gemstone mousse in golden gem. With my gemstone mousse, what I like to do is put it into a small cup and add a little bit of clear coat. I use the clear coat in gloss. This allows me to thin out my mousse just that little bit, and then it makes it very easy to apply and makes it very strong and hardy. Since Dixie Belle mousse is a water-based product, you don't want it to move when you're sealing it. I used my Cricut to cut out a monogram for the little girl that this dresser is going to belong to and put the monogram right on the front of this dresser. I used the same gemstone mousse to push through and create my own custom stencil. I had already sealed my entire piece at this point with my Best Dang Wax in Clear, but I wanted to add just a bit more depth. I came in with my Dixie Belle's Best Dang Wax in brown along with a baby wipe and applied some depth to my corners. And now this beautiful French provincial dresser has a new look on life. She's all done up with her new paint colors, her gemstone mousse, and that gorgeous Magnolia Garden Transfer. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time.